Having a hard time converting distance, mass, time, force, pressure, velocity, and temperature? Worry no more with easy accessible unit conversion for aerospace engineering students. In this video, we're going to make a simple unit converter that will allow you to convert all the units you want. Here we are inside the Google laboratory for Python.
A hard struggle can happen when you are solving problems related to some engineering mathematics concepts that has unit conversions. Can you imagine the moment in your final examinations that you almost perfect that one problem solving, but you forget the last question to convert the units that the problem asking for? Related to programming, here's the project entitled Easily Accessible Unit Conversion for Aerospace Engineering Students. This project aims to develop a user-friendly and comprehensive unit conversion tool specifically tailored to the needs of aerospace engineering students, particularly in their studies and future careers. Developing a program that can perform accurate and efficient unit conversions can greatly simplify complex calculations and improve productivity. The project will cover a wide range of units relevant to aerospace engineering, including but not limited to length, mass, time, and temperature. This tool will contribute to students' learning experience and facilitate their understanding of aerospace engineering principles.
Basically, unit conversion is really vital for us or each one of us. In line with this project that we made seeks to achieve the following objectives. Number 1, to construct a project using Python as a language for computer programming or programming. Then number 2, develop a unit conversion project using the different functions learned from the start of the semester. And lastly, number 3, guide aerospace engineering like us students to easily convert units which are really related to their chosen courses.
Using the def keyword, we are able to create or define a function, allowing us to pass data known as parameters into a function. A function can return data as a result. With the help of the list function, we are able to create a list of objects. A list object is a collection which is ordered and changeable. The list is the most versatile data type available in Python. By applying the list function, each conversion type for major courses in aerospace engineering were listed.
A for loop is used for iterating over a sequence that is either a list, a tuple, a dictionary, a set, or a string. This is less like the for keyword than other programming languages and works more like an iterator method as found in other object-oriented programming languages. With the for loop, you can execute a set of statements, one for each item in a list, tuple, set, and more. The set of code that consists of the list function was continuously performed using the for loops function until the given condition was completed.
As you can see, elif function was utilized in order to execute an output that satisfies certain conditions given by the programmer. And that is, to determine the desired unit to be converted by the block of code. Python read codes linearly. If the first if function doesn't satisfy the condition, Python would move on to the next elif condition. And if it doesn't also satisfy the condition, it proceeds to the next one until the condition was satisfied. Moving on, the next function utilized was the if-else function, one of the most basic and fundamental functions used in coding. Previously, an elif function was used to determine the desired unit to be converted. and that relates to the if-else functions. The only difference between the two is that it doesn't check for other conditions, but only verifies if the condition was satisfied or not. Unlike the elif function, it will always try to find a satisfied condition. Its main purpose in the code was only to decide whether to end the code or not.